If you're struggling with dull skin, dark spots, or uneven tone, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you how to make a 100% natural vitamin C face serum at home that helps brighten your skin, fade pigmentation, and give you that healthy glow, without any harsh chemicals. Mix 1 teaspoon orange peel powder with 1 teaspoon rose water. Let it sit for 5 minutes to activate the vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and mix well. Puncture 1 vitamin E capsule and add the oil. Stir until smooth and slightly thick. Strain the serum using a fine cloth if needed to remove any grit. Store it in a small dropper bottle in the fridge. After cleansing and toning your face, take 2 to 3 drops of the serum on your fingertips. Gently massage it into your skin in upward motions. Use it every night before bed for best results. Always do a patch test before using any new DIY product. Since this serum contains natural vitamin C, store it in the refrigerator and use within 7 days for maximum freshness and results. That's your natural vitamin C face serum, easy to make, gentle on skin, and truly effective. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural skincare tips, and share your results in the comments below.